You don't really need to move to Dubai to pay less tax as a business owner. I'm not saying you wouldn't pay less tax in Dubai than you would here in the UK, but I am saying it's absolutely possible in most cases to bring your UK tax bill down. For the last 18 years, I'm a business accountant and have been helping business owners reduce those bills for a long time. But before that, I was a business owner. And what got me into this is this idea that I felt I was missing out on something. You know, I'd get my tax bill, and I'd be thinking, what is this? And I had various side hustles on the go, and I just didn't understand why my tax bill was what it was. And I'd been speaking to my friends, and they'd be like, I'm not paying any tax. I'm thinking, you're doing better than me. How are you not paying any tax? And then I realized over time, a lot of it's knowledge. Sometimes somebody is in just a completely different situation than you, and actually they're not making any money, and that's the reason they're not paying tax, because it does turn out that if you're successful, you will pay tax. Just look at the stats. You know, the wealthiest people pay the biggest amount of tax, regardless of what actually is said in the media, and you will as well. If you're successful, you're going to pay some tax, but you absolutely can bring that down through knowledge of the rules. And I went deep on this for hours and hours and hours, and ultimately it led me into this career. However, I'm not suggesting you do that, but what you can do is do what you're doing now. Watch, listen, read, educate yourself, and you'll help to bring that tax bill down for sure. So you could jet off, but how about we just start with some education? What would be awesome actually is if they taught you this in school.